Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my demo of Quen 2.5 CLI, or the CLI Assistant for Linux. My name is Yakov Bograd, and I trained this model on a Jetson Orin Nano during ID Tech, and I will present this in VS Code. I used the Hugging Face dataset here, containing many Linux commands and using a prompt response format for the AI to read and understand. Here, the first command that we shall run, it will be located in one folder containing both
Where is your GitHub? Open your GitHub account.
the
Wait, I can see it. I can see it.
uh the model file and unmerged GUF file.
It's easy to install GITHUB. Just install the package and
First step is to run the Olama create model command. I will use CLI Assistant and the model file.
download.
First, I will run this,
It's
and for the demo, I'll create a second directory,
Can you answer my question now, Dominic? Yes, it doesn't delete your.
and I will wait for the AI to load. It will first pull the official Quen model, that was the base model that I retrained, and I pulled specific weights out of it, and fine-tuned those to be optimized to these Linux commands.
It does not. It will. It does not delete.
This model will allow beginner Linux users to give an AI a simple single command task for Linux, and then copy paste it into their terminal of their choice, and it will allow them to run commands effectively and easily without needing to rely on either dictionaries or personal experience. So this will greatly improve the experience of beginner Linux users.
Yes, it's perfect. Upload it.
So first, we will execute the CLI assistant.
All right.
Hello, please create
Initialize
the demo
or publish it.
directory.
No, I would just hit.
Bang.
Just hit connect to. Or clone.
And then it gives us the first command.
There you go.
Then we can ask it to
So what you have to do is
navigate
basically
to the
now go back to the
three and
I don't want to go to
create
this is the file that I want to open.
3
Oh, that's it.
Hmm.
Okay, then just
text
click
files.
push.
This prompt directly doesn't include the directory's name, as this model is able to rely on previous context to
You can also just click. Just go back.
pull details about your previous commands.
Add remote. Control V. Click add remote from GitHub. Allow. Data.
Is that yours?
And here it gives us
Wait.
the navigation
Should.
and 3 files.
I think you.
Then we can ask it list the files
There you
and add a
go.
creative
It's a remote repository or
Yes, enter
workspace.
to confirm. What is your remote name?
I think it's. I think it's for a computer, not a. Can I try?
Just tell me. I don't think so.
I think you can also just click commit. Just click here and click escape.
Here is a prompt to show the user the files
Command line.
and to write to the files, and it will select 2 automatically, and then it will move the ones that it selected previously to a newly created subdirectory. It will run,
Sudo's disabled. No, I know how to fix it. It's probably disabled in Windows computer settings. PowerShell might have it shut off.
Get stated, right?
so first we will create this directory. So as this model is new and was only trained on 2 epochs, that is one major issue, and I will retrain this model in the future. But for now, it is able to run simple commands. I might have prompted it too difficultly, and it forgot the actual write command, and it only included the list and move commands. So now I will ask it to
Now just go back and do it again. Open git logs maybe and see what it's doing.
How do we check the Git name?
The name of git, like the package. It doesn't.
Yeah, what is the remote name?
So here it will choose a model, it will choose a file and move it to the subdemo
Can I go to the bathroom?
directory.
Yes, go. Go.
Convert it to WebEx.
What?
Convert.
Okay. As this model isn't a creative writing model,
Don't worry about that. Did you
it is meant to only
it's updated with the model and everything? With the REPO?
You mean the video?
Video, just the
write explicitly what you write. So,
Would you like to add that?
Yeah.
so in the future, I can use a larger model
Oh, sorry.
and improve creativity and command writing.
Wait, go
Convert the
back.
video
I think it just added
No, go
everything.
back to.
Oh, I
just
think it's
file.
okay because Captain said
It added it. It was
So here,
It did?
it shows the 2 files that didn't move. Then we can go to subdemo.
read me.
Go back. I think I have an idea though. Go back.
maybe it's not doing the models.
No.
And then it writes
CD.
what it wrote.
Just hit CD.
Then you can ask,
Because it's an exit
please.
outside, because you're look, it's all the way inside of something.
Yeah, that's the project which I want to do.
Well, then you need to probably specify the path.
I will first say that I am in subdemo.
Add it to the.
No,
Unless you
that's
need-
not how we do it.
Well, then you need to add git to the path. The Windows path.
No.
Testing. Okay.
I thought that's how it worked. You use path, add to do commands where you don't have to specify the path to them.
Hmm.
And here I will write that I'm currently in subdemo as I move there, and it should write a short message for you guys in file number 2.
Create a video. Quick.
And it automatically includes the previous directory and the echo message. Then
Don't worry about that.
cat read that file.
Captain.
Did you finish creating video?
I'm trying.
Automatically uses the commands and still has the context. We paste it. And hello viewers, this is a short message. As this is a basic command writing model,
This is literally the right
what you could do, I would recommend you first write what you want to write. This is only for text navigation and basic notes, so you would have to directly ask it to write those notes.
Just hit cancel.
And so far, this model has shown that it's able to write, it's able to greet you guys,
Not all of those commands.
but as time goes on, this model will improve. Then we can ask it to go back to the demo directory.
In here.
Dot.
Hmm.
Type DOS.
Then we'll ask it to return.
CS dot.
And instead of just running cd to that command, it is able to automatically realize that it's one directory up and do that. Then list the contents and
Get in it is not
write
Save it.
a fun story in file 3. And I will not specify the end so that it is able to figure out from its previous context that it is a text file.
So you install. I'll tell you 1 second.
And it realized that it was a text file.
Is it?
Oh, put it
Is that
inside of a certain folder. The default
And
folder. Just click next.
as this is still a basic model, it wrote only the intro for a story.
Where?
Then
Just keep going.
read
No, don't cancel. Just press cancel. I think you passed it.
I don't think I really want this. There's another way.
I'm gonna figure out what my git is.
I need to record
Here I
my
will use
video.
Here I will use human language to specify that I have navigated back to the user directory, but the file has not changed place.
Correct. So just like
Small error,
Arya,
but that is expected of a new model. So we can return. So we will copy the command. And here it specifies no file.
create one.
That's why I used to run git init. Or did you install it?
Then,
This was already installed.
then, okay. So now I will say
Check git status.
read off of file 3,
Right, perfect. It is there.
which is located
Git init.
in demo. So you do have to be quite specific. Located in demo directory. Okay. So one thing we can expand upon, but it is able to write basic commands.
So I created.
So you can say how to read a file, cat file name, how to create a file, touch file name. So it is able to also give help for these commands. So you're not only able to run real commands, you're also able to get help for these commands. How to send data packets to google.com. Okay, that is not what I was expecting. I was expecting ping. This might be... And here it actually curled the web page for Google. Ping google.com. This is the previously expected command of that prompt. We can paste it in, and it receives the packets. Then we can ask
Oh, that's great.
how
You can do one
to
more thing.
open a text
You can do
file
one more thing.
as a user.
Yes.
And it realized this, that you're supposed to use Nano.
Did you finish creating your presentation?
And
Everything.
with this, we are able to effectively use Linux as a beginner
Submit your presentation.
and also get help for Linux no matter what level you're at.
So you can.
Thank you for watching my demo and hope you have a wonderful day. I'm really excited to see what you guys are able to create using this model. Thank you for watching.
Where is GitHub?
Goodbye.